guys, so today I'm going to be doing a room tour today, and I'm going to show you my complete room. It is almost done, not completely, but I'm going to show you what I have so far. So let's get started. So obviously we have the doors. I just got these installed not too long ago. I had like a sliding door before. So yeah, I decided with 2 doors instead of 1. I thought the 2 doors were so much cuter. They both open if you wanted to, but I usually just keep the one open. And then over here on my door, I have this diamond hook hanger that I purchased from Ross for $8, and then they are so pretty. My purses. I have so many cute purses. I got this at Goodwill. Can you believe this? So cute. I have my Louis Vuitton, my Louis Vuitton dupe, my Ralph Lauren bag, my Michael Kors bag. So many cute bags that I have here. I am obsessed with pink. Right here I have this picture wall art. It's kind of crooked, but I need to fix that. And I purchased this, I believe, from Ross for like $15, I believe. And over here I have my bed, and I got this bed at Walmart, and it has 3 little storage drawers. I wanted that because I have such a small room. I needed extra storage, so I got this bed, and it just has some comforters from Ross, and that pillow, that pink pillow over there, is from Ross as well. Moving on, we have my 3 beautiful windows, and I purchased this curtain, I believe, from Ross as well. This pink curtain picked by my Instagram followers on Amazon, and that is like my clothes hamper right there. Moving on, I have this little cabinet down here that my dad made me a long time ago, and I'm gonna get an Ikea Alex drawers, probably gonna be sitting right here, but I'm not gonna get it yet. And over here I have my dying plant and a jewelry hanger, mirror, a hand-me-down mirror, so pretty. It's like a silver mirror. I have my yoga mat and my backpack. Oh, let me show you what I have here. I have my Himalayan rock lamp that I always have on, like a little cute crystal, my aromatherapy diffuser, some roses, essential oils in there. Okay, moving on to my closet. We have this gorgeous sheer floral curtain that I got the doors to be removed. They weren't even attached to the floor in the first place, so I'm like, let's just remove them. They had no purpose, and I feel like this opens up the room a lot. I installed a curtain rod, which you guys can do, and I'm gonna open it up. Okay, so what I plan on doing is either A, replacing my dresser, or B, painting it all white. I have other extra projects that I want to do for my room soon, but to jazz it up a little bit, I did add, my dad helped me add these crystal knobs to it because they had this like ugly silver knob that were already scratched up, so I replaced them with crystal knobs. They are from TJ Maxx for, I believe, $8 for 6 of them, which is a really good deal, and they're so cute. I'm out of breath right now, sorry guys. Okay, so over here I have boxes and clothes over here. This is all the stuff I have for Poshmark or Mercari that I sell online and make money. And I also have like a little cabinet full of accessories and that I sell on Poshmark as well. And on top I have my perfume that I use on a daily basis, my books and my magazines. On the top I have a Victoria's Secret bag that I use to store my backpack, a Pandora bag to store my bracelet, and boxes to store. I have a memory box as well as a sewing box, Louis Vuitton box, Chanel box. I have my Michael Kors handbag, Kate Spade, Rebecca Minkoff bag, my other Rebecca Minkoff bag, and another box up here. And on top it's just like random storage. On this side I have my clothes. I don't have a lot. I mean, it is a lot, but it's not like dramatically a lot because I do have a small closet and I like to get rid of stuff or sell it, you know, just to be as minimal as possible. I don't like to have too much, even though I love buying stuff. Down below is my shoe rack. I'm thinking of painting my shoe rack because we're getting a new one because I cannot fit all my shoes down below. As you guys can see, it's a lot. And on the side there are also cubbies over here that I use to store more shoes. Show you guys over here. So over here I have this jewelry box. It says hello gorgeous, but it actually only has remote controllers in here, just so you know. This bougie box and filled with random stuff in there. And then I have this Poshmark light up. What is that I can light in my closet? Super cute. I have this necklace holder to hold necklaces as well. And I also have this jewelry box that I purchased from Amazon. It has little diamonds, as you can tell. I have like a little theme here. I love diamonds. So I plan on doing other projects in my room to include other little cute diamonds in here. And I just hold my jewelry in here, my shades up here, rings and such. Super cute. And we're gonna move on to my desk right now. Okay, moving on to my desk. I have this little cute ticket holder from Amazon that I absolutely love. I also have my TV on the wall. I also have this like Chanel looking bottle. It says confidence is the new black, and I actually purchased this from Goodwill. Down below I have this Vogue print that I got from the magazine. Down below I have my Bath & Body candle that I purchased, as well as a holder from Bath & Body. Over here I purchased this from the 99-cent store, and I hold my cotton rounds here. I have my business cards over here, my Apple Watch. Right here I store my essentials. I have my Bath & Body lotion, my 2 rose water, my rose hip oil, my Daisy Marc Jacobs perfume, this little rose right here. I'm obsessed with roses, and my Chanel perfume, so beautiful. Okay, next thing I have is my James Charles Morphe palette. It's so huge it does not fit in my drawers. I have these 2 drawers right here. That's why I'm purchasing the Alex drawers next. So down below I have my computer, a big old mirror right here. I have makeup brushes, my little vanity mirror as well. some flowers that I added. And it goes yellow, white, and you can dim it or bring it up, which I absolutely love. And I have this pink chair that was purchased from Ross for $60. It is so cute. And I'll link down below this desk. This is the Ikea Alex desk, I believe. I don't remember. I'll link it down below. And I have a little trash can that I purchased from Daiso Japan, and this little basket full of art supplies. I love doing art. I just never have time to do it, but I love to do it with my niece. She loves painting, so I love painting with her, so that's the only time I usually do it. So I have all the supplies for me and her right there, and I can't wait to get the Alex drawers so I can put all the supplies hidden so it's not out in the open, because I feel like it's not really aesthetically pleasing right there. So yeah, that is my desk. I do my makeup, I film, I do Poshmark, I study here. Like, I absolutely love this desk. So gorgeous. And yeah, that is my room. I enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you have any other video ideas for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this room tour, and bye guys.